Welcome to my channel, where we talk about all things money and how to get rich. Today, I want to share with you a secret that could change your life forever. If you want to become wealthy and successful, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you how you can use ChatGPT to get rich on YouTube. Have you ever wondered how some people become millionaires overnight? How they seem to have all the money in the world, while you're struggling to make ends meet? The truth is, there's a secret to their success, and I'm here to share it with you. ChatGPT is a revolutionary artificial intelligence tool that can help you generate high-quality content for your YouTube channel. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze the data you feed it and generate unique and engaging content that your audience will love. If you're a content creator on YouTube, you know how important it is to consistently upload high-quality videos that keep your viewers engaged. But coming up with fresh ideas and writing scripts can be time-consuming and difficult. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With ChatGPT, you can create a library of video scripts in a matter of minutes, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your channel. How to get rich? Now, let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT to get rich on YouTube. The key is to use ChatGPT to generate high-quality content that attracts a large audience. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the more money you can make on YouTube. One way to do this is to use ChatGPT to generate video ideas based on popular trends and topics. By creating content that's relevant and interesting to your audience, you'll be more likely to attract new viewers and keep them engaged. The more views your videos receive, the more money you can make through advertising revenue and sponsorships. Another way to use ChatGPT to get rich on YouTube is to create videos that provide value to your audience. By sharing your expertise and knowledge on a particular topic, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and attract a loyal following. As your channel grows, you can start monetizing your content by selling products, creating online courses, or offering coaching services. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you get rich on YouTube. By using ChatGPT to generate high-quality content, you can attract a large audience and monetize your channel in a variety of ways. So, if you're serious about becoming wealthy and successful, start using ChatGPT today and take your YouTube channel to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.